What my people? Guess what? Right now we're the Alhambra in a Kingston, and I can tell you this. The one to see the oldest or the most antique items. You see me? You could have ever find in a Jamaica. Alhambra Inn is the place to be, guys. Just take a look. And yes, guys, there's way more to see. So go check out the video. Go check out the video and see much more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Look at this